Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and this is Brother Meatball, and today we're going to be selling, or trying to sell, the utility truck. So, here goes nothing. Let's see if it sells. No, it does not sell, guys. Oh, crap, doesn't sell. One bit. Mm. I was going to see if I can use that as a ramp. Sure. It has to be this, so. Well, guys, if you guys were wondering if you could sell it, the answer is no. You cannot sell it. So that is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, turn notifications on, because I will be uploading more Tycoon 2 videos. So subscribe and like, turn notifications on. Peace out, guys.